Hi, my name is Abidali. I am the director of Australian Catering Equipment Supplies. MageComp has been a really awesome partner for us, especially Darren. We got them first to update our Magento site to 2.1, and that went really smoothly. And ever since, Darren and the team have been there to support us all the way through. Whether it's updating information on the site or redesigning the site as well. They are, I would say, like true gurus. They know their stuff really well, and I would highly recommend them for any work in the future. Thank you very much.